Oh, wow. Are you doing a cool trick with your lawnmower? Let's see what you're doing.
Look. Look.
What are you doing with your lawnmower?
Scrape all that dirt.
Oh, you scraped the dirt? Wow, your lawnmower is pretty strong. Tough.
Look.
I see.
I sweated it. I'm fixing it back.
You are?
What's
Good job.
Look. Look. Look over here. I'm over here.
You're mowing over there?
No, baby.
Okay.
Over here.
Okay. Chandler's scraping it too. There you go, Chan. Good job. Mm.
Mama, look at this place.
I know. The storm brought all these branches down the other day. Hurricane Ian did this, huh?
Wow, look at this place.
Yeah.
Hey, so pretty.
It's so pretty. It is. Very pretty.
Hey, it's another plant.
It's another plant.
I gotta go. Oh, I gotta get stuck. I won't get stuck.
It's going to get stuck. You guys got a lot of grass to mow today, huh?
Fast and slow. Fast and slow.
Fast and slow, yep. The turtle means slow and the rabbit means fast. What do you see? Hey, look at this ant pile over here, guys.
It's by the woods. Wow.
Look at that ant pile.
They're getting food.
Yeah, we gotta take care of that ant pile so you guys don't step in it. So we gotta get rid of that.
They're getting food.
All right, come on. Let's go mow some grass.
We're gonna get
Got a mosquito on you.
If I get home, we're gonna get out of home. I'll go. What's that?
Hey, Chandler.
Up there.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. How are you today?
Hey, Mama.
Lawnmower, yeah. You're doing a great job.
Up there. What's this?
Huh?
What's this?
That makes it go forward and backwards. Forward, backwards. What is it, baby?
What's that up there?
What does it look like?
Up there.
Is that chin to me up there?
What's in there?
Huh?
What's in there?
Can you tell me what's in there? Can you tell me?
Fan.
A fan? We gotta get some mosquito spray.
We're gonna get rid of the dust.
Yeah.
We're gonna get rid of the dust.
Rid of the dust.
We're
Do
gonna
you guys want to go in the house
We're
and grab
gonna-
some mosquito spray?
get rid of the dust.
You gotta get rid of. It's gotta get rid of the dust.
It's so icky.
Yeah.
It's still so icky.
All right, we gotta go inside.
It's
Can you
icky.
say bye?
Bye.
Can you guys say subscribe?
Subscribe.
Chandler, can you say subscribe?
Bye.
Please.